Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. Today is Wellness Wednesday, where I fill my day with activities that fill my cup. In my opinion, every good wellness day starts with a green juice.
This green juice a try. I'm gonna be having a wellness day. Just trying to eat good food, and I want to try meal prep a little bit, have a green juice. I feel like a wellness day is not complete without a green juice, so I picked this up yesterday. It has apple, celery, cucumber, kale, and collards. This is suja. Wow, it's very green, but I like it. I'm weird because I like my green juices to taste green. I know the fruit helps, but I feel like I'm not here for the fruit, I'm here for the greens. I woke up pretty much on time today. I laid in bed for like 30 minutes to an hour, so we got a slow roll today, but we're rolling regardless. I need to do my morning journaling, my gratitude meditation, and actually write my to-do list for the day. So I'm gonna do that and then head on a morning walk. Okay, so I'm about to get dressed for my walk, but I also need to dress for the gym. I don't know what I'm gonna wear. Went with my favorite top that Yvette sent me. If you guys have not seen that video, definitely check it out. They sent me some really cute stuff. I love this tank top because it has a built-in bra. It's super comfortable though. It's not like a super tight elastic down here, so it's just comfortable to wear. I just love the little spaghetti straps. I think they look so cute. Pocket leggings.
Just another sunny day in Southern California. It's where the people came to play.
Instead of constantly showing you guys a bunch of different routines, I prefer to stick to the things that actually bring me peace. So be sure to come back and rewatch this video whenever you need a reminder to fill your own cup and put some time and energy into yourself. I also want to remind you that the things that make you feel good could be completely different than what works for me. I really like to start my days with intention by doing meditation, gratitude, getting out in nature, and moving my body. I feel a significant difference in my well-being if I don't make time for these things, but I always have to make sure it's a priority. I have been trying to hit abs about 2 times a week lately, which is pretty good for me. I could definitely be more consistent with it, but I really do love these in and out to V-ups. They're challenging and they definitely make me burn in a good way. Also, when you're doing your bicycles, guys, make sure you're slowing them down. I see a lot of people do them very fast, but I'm telling you, you're gonna feel your muscles contract way more if you slow down this exercise. I think I'm officially getting old. I walked into the locker room and these girls were in there tic-tacking, making a daggone TikTok. I interrupted them and they was laughing and stuff. I was like, oh Lord, these girls in here tic-tacking in the locker room. It's the first time I've seen it. School is out though, so maybe that's why. And y'all know how they had the phone set up there doing a little synchronized dance and a little gym fit. Oh, Lord. Solid workout though. As you guys know, I used to do the 12-3-30, but cardio is not really my priority. Steps are, so I just do like a slight incline and then I walk at like 3.3 just so I can get a higher number of steps versus doing like the 12-3-30. My goal isn't really to burn calories, it's just to get steps. I'm debating on breakfast, either doing my 3-egg omelet, it's easy and simple, or doing a bacon, egg, and cheese sandwich. But the sandwich just requires more work. I'm just not in the mood to do a bunch of work. So I think I might just have a 3-egg omelet. I think that sometimes we get caught up in like, even me, like I want to eat the healthiest thing or the thing with the most protein, which I love. But I think sometimes it's okay to choose the one that's easier. You know, like, what the heck is that? Sorry, there's something in the middle of the road. I just don't feel like doing all that. To be clear, there is a balance. So, you know, some days you definitely need to prioritize your protein, and that's something I'm working on, but I don't know if today's that day. Maybe I need to go get PB fit. Dang it, I need to go to Target. Oh gosh. Target might be a tomorrow thing, for real, y'all. Cause tomorrow I could do a rest day and then I can get up early and go to Target. I like to go to stores early because I don't like people, like, I don't like them. I mean, I like them, but I don't like them. You know what I'm saying? So I might just go to Target early tomorrow. I also really need to wash my car, you guys. It's atrocious in here. I know this probably doesn't look atrocious to you guys, but like this needs to be wiped. My windows are dirty. My freaking tires need to be scrub-a-dubbed. Look at my tires. Dirty. So I ended up just making 3 ham, egg, and cheese little wraps instead of just the eggs, and this was just as easy to make, and I'm actually gonna crush those. Okay, so I'm showered and dressed
for the day. I haven't taken a midday shower in forever. It's kind of weird. I'm just gonna be putting on a little perfume because I'm not planning to go anywhere, but it's nice to smell good around the house, you know. So I'm probably gonna meal prep here soon. I bought some of this teriyaki chicken from Trader Joe's, which I tried once and it was delicious, and I was like, this would be super quick and easy to throw together for some meal prep lunches, just so it's easy. I tend to meal prep lunches because that's the meal I struggle with the most, like figuring out what to eat. And when I'm in a crunch, I'm trying to eat, I make bad decisions. I don't want to say bad decisions, but do I make the healthiest decisions in those crunches when I'm hungry? I do not. So that's why I like to meal prep my lunches, even though it's summer now. Actually, especially that it's summer now, because I'm at home more, so I'm going to be lazing and snacking around way more often.
Y'all know I am obsessed with coffee. I will be quick to stop by Starbucks. I'm learning the real flex is keeping and reusing your cups so that I can duplicate the experience at home for less calories and less money, but I am not sacrificing any of the flavor. I'm just trying to measure out the servings. I will just do 2 lunches, so I'm gonna save 1 in here. So I got my pan warmed up. 158. I'm gonna cook this up for my 2 lunches, and I'm gonna put this back in the bag with probably at least half a bag of teriyaki sauce. Okay, so I love this teriyaki chicken because it comes together so quickly and so easily, and it's honestly so good. What I love about this is it's dark meat, so it's not that dry chicken breast. It's dark meat and it's got flavor. The rice is done. And the green beans are just about done too. Fortunately, a lot of my meal prep containers are dirty, so I'm just gonna be using one. And then the other one I'm just literally gonna put into a bowl container. But this is something that can just be like mixed in all together, you know what I'm saying? So wellness for me is about the compounding effect of doing all the little things for myself, like wearing perfume around the house. When you feel good, that energy is contagious. And I've noticed when I feel good, it has a tendency to positively affect other areas of my life. Something about meal prepping makes me feel so health conscious. I love making choices that help future me out because I know when I'm in a time crunch or feeling lazy, I still had my own back by meal prepping. We ate dinner, enjoyed an adult beverage, and watched a little Black Mirror. After meal prepping, I was grateful that my mom actually made dinner for that night. We had burgers with sweet potato fries, and I also think a good wellness routine includes intaking good content, so that's why I decided to watch Janet's videos. At times like this, I do laps around the house. I just can't believe I am 800 steps short. So I'm going to do all my night little things. Oh, let me turn Janet off. I need to fill up my humidifier, fill up my water bottle for the night. I'm probably gonna have some tea to help towards my water goal. I gotta brush my teeth and do my nighttime skincare routine. So between that, I'm gonna try and take a couple laps around the house simply to get 8,000 steps. I don't know about you guys, but sleep to me is the ultimate grown-up activity. So a good night's sleep is one of the first things I think about when considering the best things I can do for my wellness. You guys let me know if you want me to do an updated summer night routine video. I would love to put that together for you guys. I definitely want to get better at is closing out the vlogs. So thank you guys so much for watching. Be sure to give this video a thumbs up because that supports me and my channel, which I am so appreciative of. And of course, subscribe for more content. I really appreciate you guys watching. Every day is a gift, and the fact that you decided to spend part of that gift with me means the world. So I'll catch you guys next time. Bye.